Hey everyone! In today's video, we'll show you how to fix CAPTCHA errors in Chrome 2025. If reCAPTCHA isn't working for you, try these simple fixes. Solution 1. Update Chrome. First, make sure your Chrome browser is up to date. Steps: 1. Open Chrome. 2. Click the three dots in the top right corner. 3. Go to Settings. 4. Scroll down and click About Chrome. 5. Chrome will automatically update. Once updated, restart your browser and check if the issue is fixed. Solution 2. Disable extensions. Next, disable your browser extensions. Steps: 1. Click the three dots again and go to Settings. 2. Select Extensions under More Tools. 3. Disable all extensions. Now, check if the CAPTCHA works. 3. Disable VPN. If you're using a VPN, try disabling it. Steps: 1. Open your VPN app. 2. Turn it off. Disable your VPN and check if reCAPTCHA works now. Solution 4. Turn off proxy settings. Lastly, turn off your computer's proxy settings. Steps: 1. Open Settings on your PC. 2. Go to Network and Internet. 3. Click on Proxy. 4. Turn off Use a proxy server. Now restart Chrome and check the CAPTCHA again. And that's it. Those are the fixes for CAPTCHA errors in Chrome. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos. See you next time.